Hey guys, Tony here. So I'm gonna do a quick TA on NIO after a couple people asked me. I actually yesterday I was completely bearish on NIO. I thought it was gonna go all the way down to 38. After the bump today, after the jump and the retest of the 44 price, the MACD actually is starting to weaken on the day chart, and on the 4-hour chart, it's actually about to break. It's about to break into the bullish side. Yesterday, like I said, I was pretty bullish on NIO because I wasn't 100% sure where it's going. As of right now, I'm short-term bullish. I do think NIO is going to go back and retest at the $44 level. At this point, I do think swing trading it or buying options when it retests at 44 is a really good entry point. As far as right now, do I see it going back all the way down to $38? After seeing today's move, no, I don't. I don't see it going back down to 38 bucks. I do see it going back down to $44 on the short term, possibly tomorrow, more than likely tomorrow. If we do moonshot again tomorrow, pre-market or during the day, and we go back up to 50 bucks, then the TA is completely out, and we're going straight back to 55 bucks. If we do cross that $50 mark, 100%, I believe we're going back to $55. We did retest on the lower side, so we created a low of 38.66, and then we created a little bit of a higher low at like 38.65 or something, right? So I do think that we are well on our way on creating new all-time highs for NIO. But I do think first we are more than likely going to retest the 44 price range, just because on the 30 MACD, on the 30-minute chart, we actually just crossed on the bearish side right before close. So we really need to pay attention at what the move is going to be like tomorrow, because NIO actually reacts pretty well to the 30-minute chart on the MACD. It reacts pretty well to this, and on average, whenever we do see a crossover like this, we do tend to see NIO go down about, from, let's say, 55 bucks to low 49. So we do tend to see a drawdown of about $5, which kind of goes into play of where we are right now. Let's go back to the day chart. Where are we? What the heck? Oh, I was way down here. Yeah, so if we do, if we do cross over in the 30-minute chart, there's a big chance that we might go all the way down to 44 bucks. Worst case scenario, we might go all the way back down to 38.66, retest, and then shoot back up. As of right now, I'm still 100% bullish. I really doubt that NIO is going to go all the way back down to 0 or 18 or anything else. But as what the chart is showing me is that more than likely tomorrow we might retest $44, right? This is just on the TA side. We can definitely randomly moonshot tomorrow and go to 50 bucks or go to 55 bucks. Nobody knows, right? Nobody's 100% sure about where it's going to go. But as far as what the chart is showing me, there's a bigger chance that we might go down to 44, retest, and then shoot up, unless we somehow switch to like a crazy bearish sentiment and shoot all the way down to $38, which I do think is the lowest, and it's going to be the lowest floor we can possibly make for NIO. Would I buy right now? If you're holding long term, yeah, I would. I wouldn't really care about what price you buy and if you're thinking about holding for the next 5 years, right? But if you are swing trading this, I'd probably recommend buying in waiting for the 44 retest, buying in there, and then probably selling at previous all-time highs, which was like what, $56? I don't know. I don't want to go into it too much. But yeah, just a quick TA on NIO. I do think it's going to go back down to 44 bucks before shooting all the way back up to 50, and then possibly crossing that into the 55 mark.